During pregnancy, I wrote a book about pregnancy. Now that I'm a woman of a certain age, I wanted to write a book about that as well, so that I can empower women everywhere to feel great from the inside out, especially as we get into those like perimenopausal and menopausal years. So over the age of 35, sometimes things change a little bit, and up to 60% of women gain weight. So I'm here for you. I have tips and tricks.
Emotional health. I like to talk about boundaries and using our voice to say no when we mean no, instead of yes when we mean no.
Why did I commit to that when I really just want to stay home on Saturday,
Exactly.
right?
And so practicing that in the mirror or with your best friend.
A very special client of yours, Kate Hudson. Tell me more about that.
She's so beautiful from the inside out. And so to have someone that expresses strength and beauty from the inside out, right the forward, is really, really special, because that's what we're trying to inspire in all women everywhere.
And something that you do is you encourage people to have a partner or a friend come along with them. Why is that so important?
When we talk about exercise adherence, which simply means sticking with it, you have a 50% greater chance of sticking with your workout if you know that someone's waiting for you. Especially as women, you know, sometimes we put ourselves last on the list. But if we know someone is waiting for us, whether it's your best friend, your spouse, your trainer, we'll be there.
Buenos días, Diego, y gracias por la oportunidad de compartir mi mensaje de salud. Escribí este libro, Total Body Beautiful, o en español, El Cuerpo Totalmente Bello, con dos amigas.
During the winter months, I know that the sky can be a little bit dark and the weather can get a little bit cold. So if you need a virtual vacation, I'd like to invite you to the island of Oahu. You can find it on my YouTube channel, Desi Bartlett, and enjoy some of the aloha spirit with me.